Okay, so the topic we'll be doing today is the mean. The mean is basically a calculated central value of a set of numbers, or in simpler terms, it's just the average of numbers. So to better help you understand what the mean is, let's move into our control room. Now that we have entered the control room, let's begin. The mean, just as I mentioned before, is a calculated central value of a set of numbers, or simply, it's just the average of numbers. So now let's move into a more detailed explanation of how the mean works. Now, let's suppose that Mr. Tan would like to know the average score of his class. He would then have to sum up all the marks of a student and then divide by the number of students in his class in order to obtain the average or mean score per student. So therefore, that gives you a more detailed explanation of how the mean works. Now let's move into the formula of the mean. The formula of the mean is basically that you divide the sum of data by the number of data. The sum of data can be obtained by summing up all the data given together, and then we divide that by the number of data given, and then the mean is obtained. And we saw in the previous example how the average score in a class was obtained. Now, let's move into a question involving a mean for further understanding. The salaries of five workers are given as follows: $2,500, $1,200, $1,000, $2,500, and $110. And we're asked to find the mean salary. So, in this case, the mean salary will be the total salary divided by the total number of workers. So, therefore, we sum up the salaries of all the workers and then divide that by 5 as 5 different workers are present. So therefore we get $8,300 divided by 5, and then we divide that to get $1,660, and that's your mean salary. I hope that this video helped you and therefore you learned how to find the mean, and therefore thanks for watching.